Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to start a group voice call from your Telegram account on a PC using the latest update. It's quick and straightforward, so let's dive right in. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your chats and groups. Next, find and open the group where you want to start the voice call. This could be a group with friends, family, or colleagues. Any group where you want to connect with multiple people at once. Once you're inside the group chat, look at the top of the screen and click on the call icon. It's the middle icon, typically shaped like a phone or a small handset. After clicking the call icon, you'll see the option to start video chat. Select this to begin a voice or video call with your group members. Now, Telegram will ask you to choose the account to use for the call if you have multiple accounts logged in. So pick your account and click Continue. Here's a useful tip. If you want to have a voice call without video, simply disable the video by turning off your camera. This way, your call will be voice only, but still use the video chat function to connect everyone. And that's it. You've successfully started a group voice call from your Telegram account on your PC with the new update. Now you can talk to everyone in the group, share ideas, catch up, or collaborate, all in real time, right from your desktop. Enjoy your group calls on Telegram, and stay connected with your friends, family, or teammates whenever you want. Thanks for watching.